Hello, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to teach you something different, and it is how to tune your Bluetooth speaker, starting right now. Okay, so I'll be using the y280, Awei y280.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Now let's get to radio mode.
The radio mode.
So what you get is just some white noise. This is what people do. You get your cable, the jack to jack cable, and you think that is the aerial
input mode.
It won't work. Okay,
the Bluetooth device is
this
ready
is what
to
works.
pair.
Get the USB cable, the one that it came with, the one you use for charging. Okay, this one, and you're not going to plug it here where you are going to, no, you take the other end, this other end, the one you plug in to your phone, okay, when you're charging. Let me use a longer cable because I think a longer cable will give me a better reception. And you plug it where you're supposed to charge. Okay, okay, we add the volume.
The radio mode.
Okay. That way you will have reception. To tune, just press the play button and then it will search through all the available stations. Okay, just wait until it does the automatic search of all the available channels. Okay. Okay. Just give it some time. Okay, let it search for all the channels. Now after it has finished searching, it will be playing the last station that it will have found. Okay, now if you go outside you will get a better reception. If you have a longer cable you will get your signal. That is the only way your Bluetooth speaker will work with the FM. Okay, remember, plug in the and then you leave this other end open, the one that you plug in into the laptop or any other thing. So this is the end that you plug in this one. Okay, and that's basically it for that. So I hope you learned something. The reminder is always read the manual that comes with the device. Peace.